Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Find XYZ. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. You are still on the road to WASI 2026. Let's try this word problem. The length and width of a rectangular school block are represented by the ratio 5:3. If the builders had reduced the length by 5 meters and increased the width by 3 meters, the foundation would have been a perfect block. Use an algebraic equation to find the actual perimeter of the block. Let's dive in. I'm going to begin by representing the rectangular school block. Now this is our school block. Now this was represented in a ratio of 5:3. But watch this. The length came first and the width came next, right? Now anytime you have ratio can be simplified. We don't know whether this is simplified or this is not simplified. So we can say it is 5 of a certain value, let's say A, and then the width is 3 of a certain value, which is A. So this is our length and this is our width. However, something happened. The builder decided to reduce the length by 5 meters. The keyword is reduced. And they decided to increase the width by 3 meters. The foundation for the school block would have been a perfect square. Now what is a square? A square has all sides being equal. It means that with a square, the length will be equal to the width. So let's represent the square. Now this is our square. How did we get the square? We arrived at the square by reducing the length by 5. So if this is our length, which is 5a, we are going to reduce it. Reducing means take away how many? 5 meters. Then what happens to the width? We are going to increase it by 3 meters. So if I have 3a, I'm going to increase it by 3. So this will give us a perfect square. Now what do we know about squares? We know that the length is equal to the width. So we can say that 3a plus 3 should be equal to 5a minus 5. They should be equal because they are the same. Then what can I do? I can subtract 5a from both sides of this equation, and I can also subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. 3a minus 5a will give us negative 2a. This will go to 0. This will also go to 0. Then negative 5, negative 3 will give us negative 8. Negative and negative will cancel out, so I can divide this by 2 and I also divide this by 2. Then what is a? A will give us 4. So watch this. Now we have been able to identify the common factor. So 5 times 4, which is a, will give us a side length of 20 meters. 3 times 4 will give us a width of 12 meters. Now we are asked to find the actual perimeter of the block. So watch this. What is perimeter? We say perimeter is twice the length plus twice the width. So we can factor 2 out. We have length plus width. So if I bring 2, what is the length? The length is 20 plus the width, which is 12. Then let's add the terms inside the bracket. 20 plus 12 will give us 32. Then twice 32 will give us 64 meters. This is the actual perimeter of the block. Let's substitute the value of a to see whether this is indeed a perfect square. 3 times 4 will give us 12. 12 plus 3 will give us 15. Then we have 20. If we take away 5 from 20, we're going to get 15. So we have a 15 by 15, which is a perfect square. That is all I have for you. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment, share this video to all your friends, and I'll be back with another video. Until then, peace out.